से आप अगर देखोगे फर्दर, so that is one cocci and it is divided into diplococci, chain of cocci. If it is present in the form of clusters, then these packets are formed. If है ना पैकेट्स, ये आपको क्या दिख रहा है, सार्किना फॉर्म दिख रहा है. 8 cocci are present, 4 are above and 4 are below. ठीक है. If clusters is like in random division, then it is called as clusters. Means आपने अभी कौन सा देखा था, स्टेफलोकोकाई. स्टेफलोकोकाई था जो कि कैसा था, क्लस्टर्स में और ग्रेप्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर था. इट इज नॉट इन डिवीजन, इट इज नॉट इन प्लेन, है ना. इट इज randomly placed here and there. So like that, many types of cocci are there. These are the structure, and this is the microscopic view of cocci. Cocci है ना, cocci आप देख सकते हो. Single cocci is called as coccus. Diplococci, diplococci, staphylococci, streptococci, sarcina, tetrad. है ना. अभी हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, कोकाई पढ़ रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट हम दूसरे स्ट्रक्चर्स देखेंगे कि बेसिलाई. बेसिलाई ये पूरी एक कॉमन स्लाइड है जिसमें सारे टाइप के स्ट्रक्चर्स जो आप आगे भी देखने वाले हो. बेसिलाई, बेसिलाई आप नेक्स्ट पढ़ोगे. तो बेसिलाई आर रॉड इन शेप, कोकाई आर राउंड इन शेप, है ना, राउंड एंड ओवल इन शेप, एंड बेसिलाई आर इन रॉड शेप. तो सिंगल bacilli, if we join coccus as well as bacilli, then it will called as cocobacillus. You all are seeing this slide. So this is coccus and bacilli. If we join both the rods and coccus, then it will form cocobacillus, है ना. This is single bacillus. If single rod shape bacteria is present, then it will called as bacillus. ठीक है. If two rod shapes are present adjacent to each other, then it will call as diplobacilli. Streptococci means it are these rod shaped bacteria are present in chain form. Palisades, palisades means they are joined to each other with the formation of angle. Some angle formation is there between two rods. So this structure is called as palisades. This is club rod cyanobacteria. Helical form, Helicobacteria pyrrole comes inside this type of bacteria form. ठीक है. This is cork shape, and this is spirochetes. This is filamentous bacteria, this is stalk bacteria, this is hypha bacteria. Like that, vibrio bacteria are there, comma shaped bacteria are there, phagobacteria, enlarged rod shaped phagobacteria are there. So like that, many shapes of bacteria are present in the environment, है ना. And you have to classify accordingly, morphological classification according to their shapes. You have to classify bacteria.
11:30
और मैं दाव में नहा लो. इसके अंदर तक घुसा लेता है पागल. इसके अंदर थोड़ी ना घुसाती, इसकी बाहर है. देखो
कौन है ये भाई? नीलेश.
मैं म्यूट कर दीजिए ना प्लीज.
डिस्टरबेंस को कर रहा हूँ.
म्यूट कर दिया मैंने. चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो लाइक दैट मेनी शेप्स ऑफ बैक्टीरिया आर देयर. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू हैव टू क्लासिफाई कोकाई, वेसिलाई. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी द Bacilli. Bacilli are, these are the rod shaped bacteria, and on the basis of arrangement of the organism, they are described as diplobacilli, streptobacilli, palisades, Chinese letter form. Some Chinese letter form they will form, then they will call as Chinese letter form bacilli, coco bacilli. If plus bacilli will join to form a coco bacilli, and comma shape bacilli are there. ठीक है, तो ये आपने देखी डिफरेंट स्लाइड्स जिसमें डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ बैक्टीरिया थे. फिर एक्टिनोमाइसीट्स, पहले क्या देखा हमने, ट्रू बैक्टीरिया. एक्टिनोमाइसीट्स मींस they resemble the shape of fungi. Okay, these are the rigid organisms like true bacteria, but they resemble fungi in shape as they exhibit branching as well as filamentous structure. If you will grow these type of bacteria inside the culture media, then the filamentous growth would be there. Okay, so these bacteria are called as actinomycetes. Means they look like a fungus, है ना? So they are termed such because of their resemblance to sun rays when seen in the tissue section. तो जब आप इनका कल्चर देखते हो तो इन कल्चर में ये किस तरीके से दिखते हैं, एक्टिनोमाइसीटीज मींस फंगस लाइक शेप्स रहता है ये. दे डिड नॉट फॉर्म द कॉलोनीज, they do not form the colonies, they form the filamentous shapes on the culture. Okay, so these are called as actinomycetes bacteria. Next is spirochetes. Spirochetes are longer, slender, non-branched microorganism of spiral shape having several coils. If we look these bacteria, then they are curved in shape and they have several coils, है ना? किसी रस्सी को आप बार बार घुमाओगे तो किस तरीके का शेप आएगा, that form is called as spirochetes. Okay, fourth one is a mycoplasma. Mycoplasma means these bacteria lack in the rigid cell wall, means they have no cell wall. Every bacteria have some cell wall, but if the bacteria that lacks cell wall, then they will call as mycoplasma. Okay, so four type of bacteria are mycoplasma. These bacteria lack in rigid cell wall and highly pleomorphic and of indefinite shape. They occur in round or oval bodies, and in interlacing filaments are there. So mycoplasma means they have no cell wall. Fifth one is rickettsia and chlamydia. Rickettsia and chlamydia also comes under the bacteria. These are very small, but they are obligate parasite. Obligate parasite means the parasites which depends on other hosts. At one time were considered closely related to the virus. Sometimes they were also related to virus, but now they are called as bacteria, rickettsia and chlamydia. So rickettsia and chlamydia will comes under the bacteria only. And okay, so these were the classification, morphological classification of bacteria. Now, according to another classification, if the bacteria have capsules, then they will called as capsulated bacteria. If they have no capsule, then they will called as non-capsulated. Examples are there in terms of, in case of capsulate bacteria, Streptococcus pneumonia will come, and in non-capsulated viridans, Streptococci will come. Flagella, according to flagella, bacteria are again classified into flagellate and aflagellate. Flagellate, according to the position of flagella, also they will called as monotrichous, lophotrichous, amphitrichous, peritrichous. When we will study the ultrastructure of bacteria, then we will study about the capsule, flagella, spores. Then in detail we will see the monotrichous, lophotrichous, amphitrichous, peritrichous, etc. है ना? Now you only study that according to shape and according to the organelles present on the bacteria, they are called as capsulate, flagellate, aflagellate, spore forming bacteria, non-spore forming bacteria. So it is again another type of classification. है ना, because capsule if the bacteria have capsule it will look different. If it would not have a capsule, then it would look different. If the bacteria have flagella, then it will look like a different bacteria. If it will form the spore, then it will look like a spore forming bacteria. So according to the organelles present on the and structures present on the bacteria, they are again classified anatomically. So it is anatomically classified of bacteria. According to staining in practical you will learn about the different types of stain, that gram stain, acid fast stain, non-acid fast stain. So according to it, bacteria are again classified into different types of bacteria, like gram positive, gram negative. According to staining technique, only gram bacteria are classified into gram positive as well as gram negative bacteria. If they are cocci in shape, then they will call as cocci, and if they are in rod in shape, then it will call as rods. So gram positive cocci, gram negative cocci, gram positive rods, gram negative rods, all these things will be classified based on the staining techniques. So if we will use gram stain and after staining we will find the positive reactions, then they will called as gram positive. And if after staining if we found the negative type of staining, then it is called as negative staining or negative bacteria. So according to staining, bacteria are classified gram positive and gram negative. Like that, if we will use acid fast stain, if the bacteria occupy the acid, or if bacteria are strong enough to uh, do the acid fast, then it is called as acid fast bacteria. If the bacteria will not take the acid fast stain, then it will called as non-acid fast bacteria. So according to staining techniques, bacteria are classified into different types of bacteria. Next is on the basis of cultural characteristic. Cultural characteristic, if they require extra growth factors, then we will call them as fastidious. If they did not require some extra growth factor, then we will call them as non-fastidious. If they require sheep blood agar medium, then for the hemolysis of culture media, then they will called as alpha hemolysis, or according to the hemolysis process, they are called as beta hemolysis bacteria. Carbohydrates, if they utilize carbohydrate, then we will term as oxidative bacteria. If they will not require carbohydrate or not require oxygen for the metabolism of carbohydrate, then we will term as fermentative bacteria. According to growth rate, some are rapid grower and some are slow grower. Pigment production, if they are producing some pigments, then we will call as pigment producer bacteria. If they are not producing any pigments, then we will call them as pigment non-producer bacteria. So like that, many types